Hey guys, Anthony here with Miller & Sons Plumbing, and today's a very exciting day. We just did our groundbreaking with CEP. We are very excited to have our new showroom built and be able to have you guys come out and take a look at all the things we're going to have on display. And we're very excited to continue to grow here in the community in Ocala, and we cannot wait till it's finished. So as soon as we're done, come on by and take a look at everything we have to offer.
We're thankful and we're blessed, and we can't wait to see what happens next, and hopefully this is all a great opportunity and will continue to grow. So, and we love being a part of our community and being a part of all the organizations that it has to offer. And this is exciting, nerve-wracking, but we're very happy, and we thank everybody here that decided to show up today.
3, 2, 1.